What's up, family? I'm going to make a quick technical recap on SES AI Corporation, ticker symbol SES, focusing strictly on demand, resistance, and risk. Bringing us over to the daily chart, and as you can see clear as day, if you guys recall on that last video that we had on ticker symbol SES, I told you guys if we were to reject off of this 21 SMA or the top of this number fair value gap, then we could possibly lose this number fair value gap. And if we lost 191, 185, I believe it was, then I would have to hold, but I didn't mind because I would love to buy somewhere around here, around this $1.59 golden zone. Speaking of, let's update this chart real quick. I bet. So now we went ahead and made this our golden pocket. And I wanted you guys to notice how we almost came and tested or touched that 200 SMA. However, we bounced where I expected us to bounce, which you've seen. I had that golden zone right there. Now we got this whole golden pocket. However, we had one touch. That's not a touch, but here goes our second touch after we had broke out. That's all cool and all. But if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see here even better how we bounced right on top of this sniper fair value gap. Actually, the golden pocket we just made. I think we went low as $1.52. It says right here when we pulled down in the pre-market. And now we are on the 4-hour time frame trying to get back into that sniper fair value gap right here around that $1.90 zone and currently rejecting off that 21 SMA. Now, what I would like to see is us definitely hold this $1.77 line in the sand. We just made that. Stay inside the sniper fair value gap zone. Get above the 21 on the 4-hour, then get back above the 200. Also, I want you guys to take in context. A lot of stocks, when they pulled back recently, they bounced at the daily 200, and then they started to make their way either towards the 200 on the 4-hour, or they actually are rejecting right about now. So, again, what we would like to see is hold above $1.77, ideally inside this sniper fair value gap of $1.90. Reclaim this $1.94, ideally, like I told you guys, and that's crazy, the 200 around 206, but I told you guys that I was bullish above $2, ideally 203. So if we could get back above 203, then that's where we want to look for the same lows as before, that 221, 228 zone, and then ideally 236 and then higher. But that's what we have for this video. I hope you guys wasn't distracted by my dog walking around with a dog tag. But hit that like, hit that subscribe. If you like how I broke this down and you like how I provide these levels, be sure to check out that link in the description. Follow your boy over on X for real-time alerts. But again, thank you guys for watching this video. Much love. We out.